The end is nearby. Let me explain you. Right now I'm in Curaçao, my last stop of the trip, which lasts 1 year, 4 months and a bit. Right now I'm in Curaçao visiting my friend. He had a newborn and it's a great stop. I mean, you saw the background, right? And what you maybe don't see is this is a calisthenics park. So I'm about to do a workout and no, I didn't arrive today, I arrived a few days ago. My friend Thomas picked me up with his amazing Jeep. Wow, it's a little boy's dream. Yeah, I spent some days, it was quite rainy, so I didn't explore much. Today I went on to Dora Explorer stuff. About to train, and a nice morning I visited the colonial town, which everybody calls Willemstad, which is basically almost the whole island. Continue with this video, last video of this trip, and definitely there's gonna be more on YouTube. And maybe you've noticed something new. And if you notice something new, let me know what you think.
Neus in, mond uit. En langer blijven.
Let's have a quick chat about ice baths. Ice baths is not something I would really recommend. 2 reasons: stress and building muscle mass. So first of all, building muscle mass. Basically when you're training, you will make some small tears in your muscles. The small tears in your muscles will give the signal to your body like, hey, there's something damaged, let's get this stuff fixed. So you adapt, so your body is increasing your strength, so next time it's not gonna happen. So it's like a prevention. What your body does if you're going in an ice bath is basically decreasing this signal of being inflamed. So the recovery will not be as it's supposed to be because the signals are less. Beside that, also one of the things is stress. If you have a lot of stress in your life already, and stress can be from work, but can also be like from being a lot on your screens, feeling a mental tiredness for a long time. Your body is like feeling tired after work, which is not supposed to be if you don't have a physical job. So all signals are probably stress. And if you step into an ice bath, this is increasing your stress level. So it is not the best option. And I'm curious, have you ever been into an ice bath? This was my first time actually, and I wanted to stop at 30 seconds, but Thomas didn't allow me. So I stayed a little bit longer, but it was not that much. I would love to try it again and at least reach the 2 minutes. But I'm not in a rush to get that. started in the car and we're finishing in the car. Right now another training. I went to the same park, did a workout. Now heading back last night, and then I will fly back home, and this is super special. 1 year and 4 months and a bit I went from home, from the Netherlands, gone, and it was absolutely amazing. And I'm gonna surprise my family on my grandfather's 80th birthday. I'm so excited for already 1.5, 2 months for this. I joined Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu for the first time, and wow, it's been 2 days ago and my jaw is still hurting, my neck is still stiff. It's totally another type of workout, and of course they squeezed my head so many times, and you don't want to give up, but at some point they're squeezing and they're like, ugh, and then you need to tap. So it's in my interest, the sport, it's in my interest. Maybe when I am settled somewhere I will start doing like one type of fighting sport, I'm not sure. Thanks for watching my whole journey. If you watched every video, really thank you. If you just joined in, there could be coming more. It's gonna be a few months in the Netherlands, and my idea is then to continue planning to go somewhere else. But yeah, I'm trying to live more in the moment, like South American people do really well. So just stay tuned, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I upload a bit more sometimes there as well. And if you are interested into coaching to improve your health, like you are feeling really full in your head, if you feel really stressed, if you feel you can improve your sleep, then I am your guy. And of course, I'm not saying it a lot, but calisthenics is also still possible. One of my favorite quotes is, "It's your choice, your transformation."